In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix undeposited funds in QuickBooks. If customer payments are showing in undeposited funds when they shouldn't, or they're missing from the bank you intended, this walkthrough will help you locate the transactions and correct where they're posted, so your books line up with reality. First, open QuickBooks online and click the settings icon, the small gear at the top right. This opens shortcuts to your core accounting tools. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed in with a role that has access to accounting features. Next, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the complete list of your accounts, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. You'll use it to find the undeposited funds account quickly, rather than hunting through menus. Use the search box in the Chart of Accounts and type UND. That short snippet is enough for QuickBooks to filter to undeposited funds. This account is a temporary holding area for customer payments you've received but haven't yet grouped into a bank deposit. If transactions sit here by mistake, your bank balance and reports won't match what actually happened. When you see undeposited funds in the list, click View Register. This opens the account's ledger so you can review the activity. Scan the dates, payees, and amounts to spot the payment that needs fixing. If you're unsure, compare the amount to your original sales receipt or payment and verify the payment method and date. Select the appropriate entry so it's highlighted, then click Edit. You'll typically find Edit in the action column on the right. This opens the original form, often a sales receipt or a customer payment, so you can correct where the money is going. Now edit the account on that form. Look for a field labeled Deposit To or a similar account field. If you're batching multiple payments before taking them to the bank, choose Undeposited Funds. If this was a single payment that went straight into a bank account, pick that specific bank instead. Keep the date consistent with when you actually received or deposited the money to avoid reconciliation issues. If you've already recorded a bank deposit separately, be careful not to create duplicates. Adjust the deposit to field so the flow matches your real process. Add a brief memo if helpful, then save your changes. After saving, return to the register to confirm the entry now appears where you expect. Repeat the same edit for any other payments that need correction, and you'll have undeposited funds cleaned up and your bank activity neatly aligned.